The nightmare begins slowly and fierce, heavily pushing my sin. The melody keeps trying to burn my feelings when I'm sinking deep. Whispers, whispers every night, like a burning fire. Please leave me alone and get out of my mind. Monsters everywhere, fighting in my head, fighting in my head. Monsters fighting in my head, fighting in my head, fighting everywhere. Monsters fighting in my head, fighting in my head, fighting everywhere. My heart is pushing up, but my mind is down, and I feel I break up. I face to face with life, with the fear inside, getting out the night. Whispers, whispers every night, like a burning fire. Please leave me alone and get out of my mind. Monsters everywhere, fighting in my head, fighting in my head, fighting in my head. Monsters fighting in my head, fighting in my head, fighting everywhere. Monsters fighting in my head, fighting in my head, fighting everywhere. Please leave me alone, give me the control. I'm not afraid to fall, I will make a strike on and on. Monsters fighting in my head, fighting in my head, fighting everywhere.
Feeling little nervous walking into this thing. Music on, the light is shining, I know we're in. Should I get some drink and get this party going? I see you in, I forget about everything. Trying to get a little close, should I start talking? What the hell is going on? Got no idea. What's your name, your age, your height? Is that too much? Well, 'cause boy, you make me blush. You make me blush. This feeling smells like Coca-Cola. It smells like vanilla, vanilla. It smells like like someone has a crush on you. Should I run to the toilet and fix my makeup? Should I say hi or just act cool? You make my heart melt. Are you a magician? 'Cause every time I see you, butterflies are on the mission. Feeling little nervous walking into this thing. Music on, the light is shining, I know we're in. Should I get some drink and get this party going? I see you in, I forget about everything. Trying to get a little close, should I start talking? What the hell is going on? Got no idea. What's your name, your age, your height? Is that too much? Well, 'cause boy, you make me blush. You make me Should I get some drink and get this party going? The other side of the ocean makes me get high my emotions. I don't want it to be over. Over midnight comes to my arms, you're right. Another side of the mirror, I wish that you could be clearer. And when we touch the moment, it feels just unreal, making you so real. So leave me lonely, then stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk out the door. So leave me lonely, then stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk out the door. Are you even real? Cause Realiz how I feel. You come knocking on my heart. You come and then you go. It's high then it's low. You spin my head around. I need you so. Lost in space. You're just in another metaverse. The love you never universe. So is it real if what you are? Real if what you are? That's right. Only you and me, just take my hand all night. Some people say we don't make sense at all, but I only care about what you think, that's all. So leave me lonely, then just stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk out the door. You leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk out the door. Are you even real? Cause Realiz how I feel. You come knocking on my heart. You come and then you go. It's high then it's low. You spin my head around. I need you so. So much to put a metaverse. I love you in every universe. Are you a blessing? So I know. Need a minute to breathe. Silence I know these streets. I can only take it that much. All of this is too much. It's hard enough to keep it going. Every day brings different problems. So if you are not adding sunshine to my life, I'ma give you a pass. I'ma give you a pass. If you were to lift me up, why my tears dry? It's an easy yes for me.